ayoko silang bigyan ng unfinished work. Kailangan, lagi ko talagang iniisip na dapat matapos ko to. I don't want them to feel na mabitin sila sa kwento. I started making comics as early as my childhood. I remember I was exposed to anime, manga like Naruto, School Rumble. Gumagawa ako ng mga fan comics kung ano pa ako, teenager ako. And the manga artist that really influenced me is Rumiko Takahashi, the artist behind Inuyasha and Ranma One Half, but also the all-female group Clamp. Well, hindi talaga may iwasan na may mga challenges talaga sa paggawa ng Somewhere in My Past. Like, may times na sumasakit yung mata ko, tapos sumasakit yung kamay ko, and there are times like I get anxiety attacks. In fact, I am diagnosed with PTSD nga eh. What motivates me to continue is those people who read my work and who also support my work. Kasi ayoko silang bigyan ng unfinished work. Kailangan, lagi ko talagang iniisip na dapat matapos ko to. I don't want them to feel na mabitin sila sa kwento. BL is my bread and butter, but I'm also interested to explore yung subgenre niya is sci-fi and horror. I think I'm excited to meet some of my art mutuals na comic creators na din like Aaron Dafon. I'm also excited na ma-meet si Sir TK, Tarantadong Kalbo. Sa future ng Pinoy comics, I really want it to be accessible, tsaka bumalik yung pang pang masa kasi I noticed kasi hindi lahat makaka-access sa Filipino comics kasi ngayon na we're in the digital age na kailangan mo ng internet connection, tapos kailangan mo rin ng phone or laptop para makapagbasa ng comics, and I really hope na lahat makaka-access to read comics.